Hello friends, today we will discuss participatory research. Participatory research is an approach to research that actively involves the people or communities affected by the issues being studied. Unlike traditional research, where participants are merely subjects, in participatory research they are co-researchers. It is often used in social science, development studies, education, and community development. This type of research emphasizes collaboration, empowerment, and action. The goal is not only to understand the problem but also to help to solve them by enabling people to identify and analyze their issues and take collective action. Participatory researchers and community members work together at all stages: planning, data collection, analysis, and action. It enhances the capacity of participants by valuing their knowledge and experiences. It aims to bring about practical changes or improvements in the lives of participants. Context specific. It is tailored to social, cultural, and political context of the community. It encourages equal participation and reduces power imbalances between researchers and subjects. Prominent technologies of participatory research. It uses various qualitative techniques to involve people. Effective techniques are participatory rural appraisal, which is known as PRA, a set of tools and methods that enable rural people to share, enhance, and analyze their knowledge. Techniques within PRA are social mapping, which is drawing maps of community structure and resources. Second is seasonal calendars, identifying seasonal changes in health, employment, or food availability. Then comes transit walks, guided walks through a community to observe and discuss. Venn diagrams, understanding the relationship between institutions and the community. Second is focus group, that is the focus group discussions. A small group discussion guided by a facilitator to explore community views, needs, and experiences. It encourages interaction and often leads to new insights that may not emerge in one on one interviews. Third is community mapping, where participants create visual representations or maps of their communities showing problems, resources, or social relationships. Helps identify issues like water scarcity, health services, access, or sanitation problems. Fourth is timeline and historical analysis. Community members chart important past events to understand patterns or root cause of present problems. Useful in understanding long-term issues like poverty and social conflict. Fifth is photo voice. Participants use cameras to document their lives and communities. Photos are used to initiate discussions and raise awareness about community issues. Storytelling and oral histories is the sixth one. People share personal or community stories to convey cultural values, traditions, and experiences. Offers deep insight into of subjective experiences and help to preserve collective memory. Seventh is ranking and scoring. Participants rank or score issues, needs, or resources according to importance or impact. Problem ranking, matrix scoring, or for comparing solutions or preferences. Eighth is workshops and community meetings used for planning, validation of findings or developing action plans. Ensures transparency, community ownership of the research process. So we can conclude that participatory research is a powerful and inclusive method that values local knowledge, encourages active participation, and promotes social change by using techniques like PRA, FGD, mapping, and storytelling. Researchers and communities work together to identify problems, analyze them, and find sustainable solutions. This approach is particularly effective in social work rural development, education, and public health contexts where understanding and engaging local people is crucial for long term impact.